Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Planning for retirement can feel overwhelming, but a 401k is one of the best places to start. It's a special savings plan offered by your employer, designed to help you build wealth for your future. The money you contribute is typically taken straight from your paycheck, often before taxes, making it super convenient. It's a fantastic way to consistently invest in your long-term financial security. So, how do you actually open one? Well, since it's an employer-sponsored plan, your first step is always to check with your human resources or HR department. They will confirm your eligibility, which usually depends on your employment status and how long you've been with the company. They'll also provide all the essential enrollment forms and walk you through the specifics of your company's plan. It's a straightforward process when you know who to ask. Once you're eligible, you'll decide how much to contribute. A smart first step is to contribute at least enough to get your full employer match. This is essentially free money for your retirement. You'll also typically choose between a traditional 401k, where contributions are pre-tax, or a Roth 401k, where contributions are after tax. Each has different tax benefits now and in retirement. Your HR team can help you understand these choices. Beyond contributing, you'll also select your investments. Your 401k isn't just a savings account, it's an investment vehicle. Your plan will offer a list of options, usually mutual funds, index funds, or target date funds. Target date funds are popular, as they automatically adjust their risk level as you approach retirement. Take some time to review these choices, aligning them with your long-term goals and personal risk tolerance. Opening your 401k is a fantastic first step, but it's not a set-it-and-forget-it endeavor. Make sure to regularly review your statements to see how your investments are performing. You might also consider rebalancing your portfolio every year or two, just to ensure it still aligns with your risk tolerance. As your life changes, perhaps a new job or a raise, adjust your contributions and strategy. Consistent monitoring helps maximize your retirement savings over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.